Hey, my name is Austin. This is Cross Hose and Fittings. We're at the Greensboro Hose Store today. I'm going to show you some of our offerings with our hose protection sleeves. So first we're going to start with our fire sleeve offering. This can be used for several different reasons. Maybe you want to protect the environment from the hose. Maybe you want to protect the hose from the environment. You could have a hot hose that you want to protect people from getting burned on. You could have a hose that you want to protect from the environment that it's around. One thing to keep in mind, this will not protect you from fluid injection injuries. So if you've got a hose that bursts, this isn't going to offer much protection. So you want to add something else for that. We offer this in several different sizes and different lengths. It can be sold by the foot or by the roll. We keep it in some of our stores, and we've got a couple different ways of attaching it to your hose. So come by and see us, we'll show you that. Next we have just your standard plastic spiral wrap, which is just for abrasion. This is when hose is sliding across something that's in a rough place, but maybe it's not quite rough enough where you need the steel spring guard. This will really help. It's very lightweight, fairly cheap. Next we're going to go to the spring guard, which is the most durable. So this is going to high impact environment, high abrasion, rocks, edges, things like that. This is going to really protect your hose. Hose is a big investment. Keep it from wearing out too soon. Next we're going to go to the reflective thermal wrap. If you've got a semi-hot environment, maybe you don't quite need the fire sleeve, so you're not up to that 500 degree temperature point, but you do want to protect the hose a little bit from the temperatures. Sometimes you can wrap bundle your hoses in this and wrap this around it, keep them all together. Velcro's really easy to get on and off. Even if the hoses are already on the machine, you can take this, wrap it around, slap it on there, good to go. Next, we're going to go down to our pretty standard hose protection. This is most common that we use. This is just your woven or braided poly sleeve. Hose slides through here. Got a woven style here, flat wound. This is the braided. Hose will slide through there, good for sliding around, protection over edges, stuff like that, where you're not quite up to your plastic spiral guard or your steel spring guard. Okay, so to wrap it all up, basically all of these are to protect your hose from the environment. Hoses can be quite expensive at times and you don't want to wear them out prematurely. So if you've got a high temperature or high abrasion environment, these are all good options to protect that hose. If you want more information or you want us to provide some of this for you, come on by one of our stores anytime, Monday through Friday, 8 to 5, or visit us at crossco.com. Thank you very much.